On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about string manipulation in Python. You can learn about various string manipulations, such as creating and concatenating strings, searching, and replacing, along with code samples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. There are various ways to manipulate strings in Python. Below is an introduction to commonly used string operations. In Python, strings can be created using single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. This code demonstrates how to create and display strings in Python using single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. To concatenate strings, use the plus operator, fstrings, or the str format method. This code shows how to concatenate strings in Python using the plus operator, fstrings, and the str format method. To repeat strings, use the asterisk operator. This code demonstrates how to repeat strings in Python using the asterisk operator. To get the length of a string, use the len function. This code shows how to get the length of a string in Python using the len function. Use indexing or slicing to retrieve specific characters or substrings within a string. This code demonstrates how to retrieve specific characters or substrings from a string in Python using indexing and slicing. Since strings are treated as sequence types, you can process each character using a for loop. Use the str find and str replace methods to search and replace in strings. This code shows how to search for a string using the str find method and replace a string using the str replace method in Python. To convert strings to uppercase or lowercase, use str upper str lower str capitalize or str title. This code demonstrates how to convert strings to uppercase, lowercase, and title case in Python. To split a string by a specific delimiter, use str split, and to join elements of a list, use str join. This code shows how to split a string using str. Split and join list elements using str. Join in Python. To remove whitespace from a string, use str. Strip, strl strip, or strr strip. This code demonstrates how to remove leading and trailing whitespace or whitespace from either side of a string in Python using str. Strip, strl strip, and strr strip. By combining these operations, various string manipulations can be performed in Python. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Your support keeps this channel motivated. Please subscribe to the channel.